Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Jonathan and this is my partner Talissa, and we are professional ballroom dancers. On our channel we discuss all things ballroom dancing, including competitions, training and free online dance tutorials such as this one on drive action. If that's something you're interested in, please consider subscribing to our channel. To make this video easy to follow, we've broken it up into 4 sections. The first section is what is the drive step? Then we'll be discussing coordinating the different actions of the drive step. Thirdly, we will be discussing the usage of the standing leg. And then we're going to finish off this tutorial with a very good exercise for you to practice at home to improve your drive action.
So what is a drive action? A drive action is a forward swing dance action found in the lower half of our swing. It is important that our drive step mimics the strong beat or accents in our music. This is done by an increase of speed, which results in an increase in power. A drive step can be easily identified by the leg line that is produced at the completion of the drive.
We're now going to be talking about the coordination of the different actions that are required when performing the drive step. There are 3 actions that we must coordinate. The first action is a lowering action. This action is produced by bending of the standing leg. So you can see that my knee is softening, it's bending forwards, and that should correspond to a changing of the pitch of your weight in your foot. So my body will move more forwards as I bend my knee. Now it's very important that when we bend the knee, that we don't bend the hips backward. The second action that we have to coordinate is a rotation, a rotary action. So I don't just want to bend my leg, I also want to rotate my leg as well. So I'm lowering and rotating. The third action that we must include when we're talking about our drive action is a movement forwards. So I will now show you the 3 actions combined. Lowering, rotation, drive. I'll show you one more time. Lower, rotation, drive.
The standing leg is the most important leg when producing our drive action. This is considered the driver, and our moving leg is considered the receiver. We have to make sure that we do enough of the preparation for the drive step as Jonathan discussed. If we don't do enough, then we could have a false sense of power in that moving leg, as our weight will transfer too quickly into that forward leg. This will also cause a change and incorrect technique in our rise and fall. We want to make sure that we complete our lowering when our weight is just in front of our standing leg, and then we continue the rest of our drive on a horizontal trajectory.
To conclude this tutorial, we are now going to offer you a very good exercise for practicing your drive step. And the exercise that we're going to show you is exactly what you've been seeing for this tutorial, which is practicing the drive step over and over again. That's the best exercise to practice your drive. You should be practicing the drive action on both legs. So far in this tutorial, we've been using the left leg as the standing leg to drive forwards onto the right leg. However, you can flip it around and you can use your right leg as your standing leg, moving forwards onto your left leg. If your left leg is your standing leg, then the step that you are producing is a natural figure. For example, a natural turn in waltz or a feather step in foxtrot. If we flip it around and we now use the right leg as the standing leg to produce our drive action, we are now going to be dancing a reverse figure. For example, a reverse turn in waltz, such as this. So, we will now show you together. I will be dancing the natural drive step, and Talissa will be dancing the reverse drive step, side by side, and 1. Good, so we're trying to coordinate lowering, rotating and moving, all at the same time.
We hope that this tutorial has helped improve your drive step. We will be producing more of these ballroom dance tutorials, so if you have enjoyed it, please like and subscribe to this channel. We plan on posting these videos every Monday and Thursday, so keep an eye out for them. Good luck with your drive exercises. Let us know how you go with them in the comments below. See you next time.